What's up, guys? Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going to be walking around a 1986 Cutlass. I went ahead and opened the trunk and the hood so I'm not flipping the camera around, make it easier to give you a visual aspect. I'm going to be pointing out any kind of flaws that I can find. I want you to know everything before you get here. That way there's no surprises. Should be about a 10-15 minute video, and you could also take a test drive with me. Just wait till the last 30 seconds of this video and click the link. This car here has a 307, very cold AC, believed to be original motor here. It's got pretty low miles. I'll be showing you that here in just a moment. Like I said, visit maplemotors.com and hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting up here in the front, it's definitely not perfect, but it is in good condition. That's actually just some road grime. I thought those were little bubbles. It does look pretty good in the front end. The grille, the headlight bezels, the bumper. I'm not really seeing any pitting. Looking down the side of the car, it's nice and straight. Pinstriping looks good. Yeah, we got 13s, but they clean. Disc brakes. Very nice up under the hood. Like I said, the AC's working, power steering. Insulation still up under the hood. It's not all torn up like it normally would be. I'll be shutting the hood by the end of the video. Looking down this side of the car here, it's nice and straight as well. There is a little dent right here. Good tires on the car. The trim looks good. Hood's not bad. Does have a little spot discoloration in it. The mirror here's got some, looks like wear on it. Maybe they pulled the car cover off too many times. Checking the bottoms of the doors. I did pick up some dirt driving along. It's been raining off and on all day, and I'm getting these videos done regardless. It's like some tree sap on the side there. So coming down the bottom of the car, it looks solid. Making sure there ain't no bubbles down there. I love the color on this car. Well, I'm not seeing too many flaws. A little crease in the trunk, very small. Spare tire in the back to match. Light scratches, probably for pulling stuff out. Weather stripping looks good, fairly new. Solid trunk. Go ahead and shut the lid down, see how it lines up. So far so good on this one. I don't think this one's gonna last very long. I'm only halfway through the walk around. There's a scratch here. Light scratch. Stock exhaust on this one. It's nice and quiet, and it's real low to the ground. The suspension on it felt awesome. For 100%, I want you to watch the test drive if you're interested. Car's solid all the way around. Not seeing bubbles in the bottoms of the doors. Light scratch right here as well. That could be buffed out actually. So that's not a big deal there. All right, made it all the way around the car. Now we're gonna check out the interior, and then I'm gonna start it up, give you some undercarriage shots. Interior's in great shape. A little bit of fading from the sun. I still got some stuff from the test drive, a chamois and some gear in here. By the way, if you want to know what I'm using, just look in the description. I pretty much give you all the information, everything that I'm using, with Amazon links directly to where you can buy them. Let's look at the bottoms of the doors. Weather stripping's looking good too. Top right corner of your screen, there's a little bitty icon. You can hit it and take the poll. Do you think the horn works in this one? We'll go up there and vote. The dash is nice and clean. It's not all cracked up. Go ahead and start it up. Starts up easy. Guess what? Freezing cold AC. I should have waited to a real hot day to drive this car. Tilt works. Wipers work. And you ready for the horn? There we go. Believed to be original miles 47,000 on the dash there. Gas gauge was working. Speedo was working driving down the road. We do have the face to the radio. This thing's pretty nice. All right, guys, getting ready to give you some undercarriage shots. You can also get close to 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com, so definitely go check that out. Especially if you're looking for financing, we can hook you up there too. Go ahead and shut the hood down here. Motor's nice and quiet. You see the compressor's engaged. Hood shuts down easy. And it's lined up nicely. Little spot on top of the fender here. Y'all ready for these undercarriage shots? We're gonna start up here in the front, go to the driver's side, hit the rear and the passenger. It's gonna be hard to get up under this one. Look how low it is on the ground. And then the passenger side here. Hopefully that gave you an honest description of this car. That way you're able to come up here. A lot of people will actually, since they've seen these videos and they come up here in person, they'll actually just get the car shipped straight to them. We sell a lot to California and Texas, especially here in the last month. If you haven't already, I do a full inventory walk about once a week up here. So there's actually one I posted this morning. Definitely check it out. It goes around and shows all 18 new cars that we just picked up. And I actually know of about 5 that we've already bought for next week. So we're probably gonna have another big update next week as well. So we got the whole week of buying left. I do appreciate y'all watching. Definitely check out maplemotors.com. Financing information's available. 100 detailed pictures. Wheels, tires, parts, accessories. And yes, we could ship it all over the country. We ship these cars out every day. Test drives videos on every car available. Hit that subscribe button, and thanks again, guys.